a little bit different of a lighting setup for this candy bar on Sunday, 26 May 2024. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. She, her, hers, it's yeah. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, and I'm doing a birthday cake KitKat bar that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Dollar Tree on Highway 99 in Edmonds, Washington State, United States of America. Plant with the original. I'm doing no overhead light. It's kind of cloudy outside. So, here we go. I'm going to open it now. So it looks like a cream or white chocolate, and then they've got sprinkles in it. So thinking through with my boyfriend Josh Kerr and me moving in with him. When on a load, moving my stuff in with him on a load other than load 1 or the last load, drive past the dream house and talk about it. Since it's so close to my parents' house. So one of the loads essentially where we have one car instead of 2 cars, so we're in the car together. Drive past. It's a nice location. There's, if it snows really heavy, there's no steep hills to get to the QFC, Quality Food Center, and PCC Community Markets over in Edmonds. There's a route that's possible to take with no steep hills. Yeah. Great to know for snowy weather. And then when we drive past, take a picture or 2 and send it to Mom, Dad, Aunt Annette, and Grandma Connie. Something like, we think we found our dream house. About 2 miles north of where Mom and Dad are at. Where you guys are at. And then also should take pictures, slash videos during the move and share as we can. This is good. I can actually taste the sprinkles. So the cream or whatever is a mild enough base. The sprinkles already really do come through. It might actually be like a birthday cake batter cream instead of like a white chocolate. Well, that's the recipe. It's good. I like it. It is very sweet. Last bite. And this marks my 13th sweet and or savory eats video of KitKat products. KitKat product or KitKat featured in an item. So I'll link to the first 12. I think I got all of them. So there we go. YouTube is shaking up how you can view videos and stuff like that. So, but it's kind of shaking a lot. Like, we're doing some changes. And so, it's like, for all we know, it changes enough that it eventually goes full circle. Back to what it was. So, for those who are very concerned, we're like, times change, but then times change again. It's the thing about the things that change a lot is sometimes things changing a lot, and eventually it comes full circle. It doesn't have to, but it can. There's a little bit of a YouTube specific. Along with the Hershey's Kisses from yesterday. Hershey's Kisses on this channel seem to be very how I do it in the title specific, how many views they get. So if it doesn't have very many views, I didn't do a very good job. Or I didn't do the popular thing. So there we go. Yeah. And, oh, what do we give it? 36 out of 10. As the sweetness rhymes with the 2 Hershey's and cream bars that I did in one video. So there we go.